User-friendly. Cost-effective. Boost productivity. Welding robot, ROBOTMETA by KOVET. Introducing the world's most user-friendly welding robot, designed for users of all skill levels, including beginners. It's compatible with leading welding machines. The robot can work with MIG, MAG, TIG, and laser welding systems without problems. Our professional engineers are here to install and set up the robot for you. We provide end-to-end services, including consultation, system design, user instructions, and maintenance services. The robot is technologically advanced, yet easy to use. The user will be trained by the engineers from KOVET. After learning how to use the welding robot, the machine operator will be able to operate it swiftly and professionally within 1 day. When the welding machine from KOVET works with the smart robot arm ROBOTMETA, the precision and movement is simply flawless. It can precisely weld both regular and highly complicated workpieces. The robot is controlled using a teach pendant that feels just like a game controller, making it intuitive and easy for anyone to use. No technical expertise required. Thanks to its speed, flexibility, and precision, the robot boosts your productivity and efficiency. It enhances your production capacity and reduces the operational cost. You will break even within 6 months. Elevate your production capabilities for the future with ROBOTMETA by KOVET. KOVET, your ultimate solution for welding and cutting.